AA dragsters, two machines with over 1,000 horsepower at their disposal. The Herbert Cam Special is now lining up on the street side with Lefty Mudersbach at the wheel. The Howard Cam Special with Glenn Ward at the wheel is on your spectator side. Both cars on the line. They're just about ready to go. Lefty Mudersbach on the hill, on off the starting line. He moves way ahead of the Howard Cam Special, and he takes it. The winner, Lefty Mudersbach, on the street side at 8.65, a lap time, upsetting the Howard Cam Special at 169.17.
Yeah, this is my 1961 Lefty Mudersbach Chassis, 61 front engine dragster with a 1948 Ford flathead in it. The car was built by my father and two other guys back in the 60s. Island Dragway was the home track. They raced the car here for about 14 years. Started out as a 96-inch wheelbase and got wrecked one time. Then it was stretched out to 150 inches as you see it now. They sold the car in 1974. I was just a kid, and car was missing 42 years, and we found it 42 years later and did a 4-year restoration on it, and that's what you see today. And so we got it out here today to show it off, and the fella next to me is where we got it back from. He had it 30 years and used to set a lot of records here at Island. Mm-hmm.
So this is the way it was. There was no roll bar
That's correct.
system. It was really just
Bare minimum.
bare minimum.
Yes. Yep. You had a safety harness and a half helmet, and that was about it. It's a 1948 Ford flathead, obviously modified. It's about 302 cubic inches right now. 4 3/4 inch crankshaft. It's got an Isky cam in it, and you know all the goodies. Three deuces, three carbs.
So back in the day, in the 60s here, what would this car do on a track for time and how fast?
This car used to run about 10.5 seconds, and that was pretty fast for a Ford flathead. That was real fast for a Ford flathead, yeah. And it used to run and race against a lot of overhead engines, and it used to beat them. Yeah.
My dad took it in trade in the 80s, for early 80s for something, I forget what, an old car.
Yeah.
So I asked him if I could take it to the racetrack one day. I never drag raced before. And he said, take it, just be careful. So I took it, and all these years later,